everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be reviewing my Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch by SooAE. I'm gonna have to check if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's SooAE. And what it is, it says it's a hydrolyzed collagen, licorice root, and green tea extracts. Instantly soothe and restore moisture to lips suffering from dryness and unsightly lines. So the directions say to apply to clean lips and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then pat any remaining essence with fingertips to improve absorption. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove my lipstick. It says to open here. It smells kind of sweet. It's very slimy. How is this gonna stay? So I'm back. I guess I can talk now. It felt weird not being able to talk, but this is very like rubbery and stretchy. I know it won't stay on sitting straight up. It was kind of staying on, but you could see it was sliding down. So I went and like leaned my head back, but even then, so I had to like fully lay down flat to get it to stay put, and even then it felt like it was moving around a bit, but not that much. So my lips are a bit tacky right now. I'll try to zoom in. It's getting dark out. It's supposed to moisturize and help with lines and wrinkles. So I just thought I'd try it because I've never used anything like that for my lips. I was reading the back of it some more, and it says that it has nutrient-rich fruit and plant extracts to soothe and plump lips with moisture. So it's supposed to, I guess, slightly plump them the more you use it. Yeah, it has a little bit of a berry taste to it. It says super berry complex on it. So that was my quick little demo on this little collagen patch. I hope you enjoyed. If I did leave anything out, if you have any questions or anything, please leave them down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.